Hey viewer, today we're going to discuss the how to check the fuse. So in order to check the fuse, we need to use also the multimeter. As you can see here, this is the socket with the fuse. So this one we need to show to you how to going to check the fuse of this plug, and you will need to use the one flat screwdriver. Yeah, this is the flat, and here is the multimeter that we're going to measure the ohms or continuity of the fuse. Okay, so here you can see we have this one, the plug. So here we can see the fuse inside here. Here is, as you can see, the fuse is here inside. You can read there's a fuse. Okay, so we just open this one, the cover, fuse cover. Okay, so this fuse is inside. We have a 5 amp fuse. So this is the 5 amp fuse. Okay, so now we're going to measure this fuse is good or not. So if we will measure, it will become open. If the fuse is busted, you need to change. If it is closed, then you can still use. It's good. So here we have the multimeter. You can see here, you can plug here, voltage ohms here, and here now the other side, black or the comb, and here we can select to this ohms here. So depend on your multimeter. Sometimes you have the ohms and with the buzzer. So here if you have only ohms, you can just measure in ohms, the resistance, and this one is the sound, if it is open or closed of the fuse. So here I will show to you how to measure this both. So this one is for diode we don't use. So this is the one for ohms and the sounds. Okay, but sometimes no sounds, your multimeter don't have a sound, you can only use the ohms continuity. So this time, in order to select the ohms, so this one is in auto, so we can just check here the fuse if it is good. Now it's showing open, so OL. So in here is mega ohms, so it's nothing, it's open. So if we put this one to check the fuse, you can see is showing ohms, and then so 0.3 value here. So that is meant to say this is good. Yeah, should you. Okay, you can see. Yeah, so that is ohms. Okay, if it is OL, mean to say it's open like this, mega ohms. So okay, I have said that we can also use the sound, so you need to select here on the yellow for the sounds. Okay, so here, okay, so you check this one is the buzzer. So this buzzer, you can check also if there's a sounds meant to say that is closed, so it's meant to say it's good. So if it is open, the fuse is blown, so it means to say you cannot hear any sound. So we try. To check this one is good, check the multimeter. See, you can hear the sound when you open. When you close, the sound is coming. So we can try to use on the fuse here. So here you can check this one. Yeah, you can put the terminal here and this other side also to check if it is of continuity. You can see there's a sound and the ohms also is coming. So now you see it's OL, it's open. Then you can, if you use this one with the sound, yeah, you can check. It meant to say they are closed. Yeah. I remove. So when I put back, yeah, see, sound is coming. Back again. So this is the one how to check the fuse is good or not. So when it's not good, you can just remove this one here. Fuse, this fuse. You can buy a new fuse for this, like this 5 amp fuse. Let me try here again. See, it's closed. Meant to say this is good. If it is open, it's not good. Meant to say it's already open. There's the sounds meant to say this is good. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to update you on the next topic. Thank you.